Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to drive a 911 easy method. Begin by learning the layout. Know the gear pattern, hand positions, and dashboard warnings. Prioritize safety. Set mirrors, seat, and belt, and understand traction control options. Walk through a pre-drive checklist to ensure mechanical readiness. I will explain key controls, smooth throttle application, and basic cornering technique to build confidence behind the wheel. Start gently and focus on smooth inputs to protect the drivetrain. For manuals, find the clutch bite and release with steady throttle to move off without jerks. For automatics, use paddles or drive mode to manage revs during spirited runs. Practice heel and toe only after mastering basic shifts for consistency. Keep revs in a healthy range to avoid lugging or over-revving, and always listen to the engine's feedback. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long drives and fits cup holders perfectly, making pit stops less urgent. I find it handy for track days and road trips when focus matters. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Plan each corner, brake in a straight line, position the car for the apex, and unwind steering smoothly. Enter with confidence, then gradually apply throttle as you pass the apex to stabilize the car. Keep hands relaxed and avoid sudden corrections that unsettle balance. Practice on low-traffic roads or a track where you can explore limits safely. Focus on consistency over speed to build skill and reduce risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.